I'm just out with the GoPro. I thought I'd go for a quick walk and just test it out, just to see what it's like. I'm walking along the canal path now, and I've got the GoPro on a handheld tripod. It's a mini tripod that I've got attached to. So the stabilization seems pretty good, and I've got it on horizon lock at the moment. I'll do a little jog. That's what it's like, doing a little jog. There you go. That's a little jog. I'll just get a quick video of the canal path and the sky. It's not very blue today, although I don't know what it'll come up like on the GoPro or back to the canal again. Are these poppies here? Looks like poppies there. They're nice. They're lovely then. They look like a sort of poppy. I don't know. Really do love nature. Stinging nettles. Yeah, sorry, as I was saying, I'll get the sky again. But I'll run this video through CapCut, and I'll tweak the colours. I'll increase the Kelvin or the colour balance, whatever it's called in CapCut. I'll increase the warmth and the saturation. I'll probably pump that up a little. Really is a lovely day today. Coming up along the canal bridge. There we go, that's where I've come from. I've come from down there. That's where I've come from. Look over that side. There's lots of little flies. I don't know if they're called mayflies. The GoPro probably won't be able to pick up from here, but there's loads of little, what look like mayflies on the water there. I'm a bit coming under the trees now, so it might be, well, I am in the shade, so I don't know if I'll have to increase the exposure in CapCut. Now, I'll show you the canal. There we go, there's the canal there. So I'm going to continue down, and then I'll go through like a little park, and then back onto the road, and do some more handheld GoPro video, and I might do a little jog. It depends how fit I feel. Just coming into the park section now. I've just remembered I'll have to speak a bit louder and clearer to the GoPro because I don't have an external microphone. I'm just using the onboard microphone on the GoPro, so I'll have to speak a bit louder and nearer to the GoPro. Yeah, I'm just coming up to the road now. As I was saying about the an external microphone for the GoPro, I'm just wondering if you can get a microphone set up for it. I'm sure you must be able to. I think I will look into it at some point. Because I've seen other people, well, obviously quite a lot of people do use the GoPro for the videos, you know, for the vlogs on YouTube and wherever. And the sound does seem okay. Well, it's better than my sound at the minute. Well, what a lovely day. I mean, people are probably watching me. Not that there's many people about. Oh, what's that there? What that is? So, not that there's many people about. But I probably look like a right idiot. You know, with a GoPro right close to my mouth, or to my face. But as I say, I've got to, because when I'm I've checked my other videos using the GoPro, the sound is a bit too quiet. Oh, and another thing, it's the bit of wind, so there might be a bit of wind noise, so I could do with a camera muffler, you know, to deaden the sound of the wind. Could probably have one of those at some point. Oh, police car just going past. It's funny, police don't look at me anymore because I'm an older person now. Just get another shot of the sky. Yeah, it looks a bit better blue now. Or is it just my eyesight's got used to it now, maybe? I might do a little jog in a minute just to see what the stabilisation is like. Mind you, I know what it's like, but just to show anyone who might be interested. There's me there, my shadow on the floor. I say, what a really beautiful day today. Mind you, I suppose one way I could get away with the sound is to do a video without sound, just a walking video, you know, just a walking one without sound. Could do that, I suppose. I was going to do a little jog, but I'm going up a hill, so I might leave it till a minute. Ooh. I'll tell you what, let's just see if anyone's behind me. No, there isn't. Oh, there's a car there, so I won't run just yet, because the motorists will be thinking, look at that silly old fool running. Okay, I'll just pretend that I'm waiting for the bus. Okay, I'll just pretend that I'm waiting for the bus. There you go, I'm waiting for the bus. Anyone coming? No. Okay, do a little jog. Oh shit, there's a car. But do a quick jog. Oh, right, how stable is that? Oh, was that stable? Yo, a car just went past, and I say a car just went past, and the woman passenger, she's done a double take, and she looked at me. So either I've still got it and not lost it, or it looks shifty and she's looking at me thinking, look at that shifty looking person there. I don't know which one. I've come from all the way down there and from up there all the way up there, and I'm going all the way up there. Look how far I'm going to go up, and then cross over and then back down. And that's where I am now. In this field here, there's normally horses in there, but I'm not going through there today. I'm going to cross over the road near the roundabout. Okay, I'm going to cross the road, quick, do a quick jog across the road. Oh, nearly lost my hat. Okay, that's where I am. Okay, that's where I am, heading towards the expressway and a bit of shade, so I'll get under there and try and cool down, because I'm pouring with sweat at the minute. There's like a little island in the middle of the expressway there. Maybe we should get some sandwiches and a flask and have a bit of a picnic. It's a lovely tree there. It reminds me a bit of like a cedar tree. Yeah, it's lovely over there, isn't it? Would that be a nice picnicking spot or not? Because you've got the fumes of the traffic, so maybe not. But yeah. Okay, I'm under the shade of the trees, and I've got the GoPro close to my face and my mouth, and I'm talking at the top of my voice. Well, not at the top of my voice, but a bit more to the top end of my voice, because I haven't got an external microphone. Okay, there we are. So, the noisy bloody traffic. So, what's the exposure like? Because I'm under the I've got the shade of the trees there. Oh, look at that, you probably won't be able to see it up there. It's a plane, I wonder where that's going to. The express, hold on, I've still got to talk loud. The expressway down there. I do apologise if anybody was listening with earphones turned right up. I do apologise. But as I was saying, the expressway is actually down there. Or rather, that is the expressway there. I don't know if this part, I don't think that part's the expressway. It's just over there, that way there. Going back under the shade again. Yeah, I done a video the other day and I was going to upload it. I can't remember what it was about. I think it was about using the Canon G7X or the GoPro for YouTube videos, and after I'd done it I couldn't even hear it myself. But it's not the best where I am now because I've got noisy traffic. I think I'll come back and head through the woods, I think, because the expressway's a little bit too noisy. Oh, any nettles here? Any nettles? Okay, I'm going through the woods and hopefully it'll be a bit more quieter through here. I like to see what the exposure is like in the woods, although, as I said earlier, I will run this video clip, or all the clips, I'll join them together and adjust the exposure and the colour grading a little bit with CapCut. I'm still getting the hang of CapCut. You know, I don't know exactly 100% of all the best sliders. You know, when you're tweaking the colours and the saturation and the contrast, etc. I'm still finding the right balances. But it was a free program. I know you can get the paid version, and some of the features on CapCut Pro are pretty good, I think, because I've not actually used them, but what they say it can do is quite good. Okay, I'm just going to test the horizon lock on the GoPro. I'm holding the GoPro in this hand, the right hand, and I'm holding it like this, and I'm now doing this with a GoPro, and I'll do it about this fast. Yeah, see, because I'm holding it like that, and again twisting it like that way, and then all the way around, oh, and then back again. Oh, sorry about the, I'm doing that and like that somehow. So I'd be interested to see what that looks like. So that's horizon lock that was just in. Well, it's been in horizon lock all the time, but I was twisting the GoPro, you know, so it was, I was doing this, well, and then that, and then kind of thing. And it normally does keep things nice and level. Okay, I think that's I think that'll be the end of the testing now. I can switch off and just walk peacefully back home.